Kate, your plastic-free mermaid. Today we're talking about debunking some of the false narratives that are circulating in this movement and in this global discussion around plastics and plastic pollution. There's a lot of things that we attach to hoping that this is a solution that's going to get us out of this mess that we all are growing more aware of every day. And so today, Anu and I, we're gonna talk about technology and how we're kind of like excited about technology. It's going to save us all, and if that's not perhaps the case.
If only that was the case, but unfortunately, there seems to be like a global paradigm going around that technology is going to save us all and it's going to get us out of this mess of plastic pollution. See, that would be the easy solution, but technology, it's going to be a part of that solution, but it's not going to be the primary part, because if technology is going to be something that we can use to solve this issue, I mean, it's going to be supplementary because people are going to solve this. You put the humans and the behavior in the center, and then you develop a system around that, of technology that can sort of support that behavior. Whereas now we're putting technology at the center, and then we just assume that people there are going to play a part of that system, and that's just not working. But I mean, developing a technology in itself, it's not going to make any difference, because if it's not being used by anyone, and it's not goes into a context, because it's sort of the coexistence of humans and human behavior and thinking, and then also some technologies. So for instance, a lot of technology now is very much about recycling, and we can recycle and we can do all these things. We can like make plastic to fuel, plastic to energy, plastic to roads, and all these things. And these are all more just like management technologies, where we want to like go upstream to look more at how technology can support reuse systems. Because overall, to fix this mess that we're in, we're going to have to reduce overall how much plastic we produce and how much we use. So that's one thing. And then also coming up with these larger scale systems for reuse. And that, I think, in that perspective, technology, they can play a big part of that, but that's like completely turning upside down what we're doing now, where we're investing in recovery technology and recycling technology, and we have to invest in reduction and reuse technologies. Digital technology, in some ways, that could be interesting to see how that could be applied in thinking or building a reusable structure.
Apps could be a great way to reduce the amount of products in circulation.
Yeah, and keep track of products in circulation, and if things fall out of the value chain, and you can sort of dive into, like, if for plastics, if it's going to have a part and it's going to have some kind of role in the future, it's going to have a very different one than it has now, but you would have to sort of have like a DNA of that plastic, so you can like specifically know where is it coming from, who produced it, how many times has it been in circulation, create more transparency, because one of the big problems with plastics, I mean, except that there's too much of it, is that it's very toxic, it has all these chemicals, and we don't really know what's in it. So I think transparency around that, and then a lot less of it.
Throughout all of this, be skeptical. Don't just believe everything that seems like the first and best solution, especially when it comes to technology or something that you don't quite understand. Dig a bit deeper, because that's kind of how we got into this mess in the first place, is we thought plastics were this great solution. They were super convenient, they were super cheap and easy. Now look where we are. Just question everything. And where can people learn more about plastic change?
On our website, so that's plasticchange.org.
Great. And be sure to check out breakfreefromplastic.org. All right, see ya.